Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I know that I'm starting this whole thing in the car. I'm actually grabbing lunch with Austin. Wanted to film like my week, starting it last week. I didn't do a really good job with vlogging. Hair is a little different than what it was when you guys last saw me in my other video. I'll go ahead and add some clips in there. I did my hair at W Salon in Santana Row. Marianne is the one that did my hair and she did such a good job. I really like it. I didn't want to go back to that blonde, silver, grayish look. A little bit subtle for now because I didn't want to damage my hair too much. It was super dry already because of all the bleach that I did in the past. So I'm at my appointment to go do my hair. I was supposed to do like this whole video, but that didn't happen and I'm running late. So I will see you guys inside. Hopefully we can change this up and put little highlights in there. But anyways, I'm gonna be late, so I'm gonna run. I am home now and it looks so good. It's a lot different than what it was before. I like it. Okay, lighting, quick update. I'm actually waiting for Melissa to come pick me up because I'm in the street. But yeah, we're gonna go eat and we'll probably go take some pictures. I think I see her car. Hello, I saw you. You turned right. You should went straight. Oh. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do and I'll show you when she comes. Stop it. This is my friend. I'm gonna get copyrighted because of this damn music. And then we also had Jimmy's birthday party. We celebrated it with his friends. We went to dinner and it was like the first time we grabbed dinner in a really long time. We haven't seen all our friends all at once in like a year. A little bit more than a year because of the whole pandemic and everything, and we just wanted to be safe, go on FaceTime. Other than that, we didn't really hang out. But yeah, it was a really fun time. Just had dinner and then after that we went bowling. I didn't film that, of course, but I'll add in whatever clip that I have. And then we actually surprised Jimmy the next day. I did a whole celebration with him and his family and mine. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle, blow it. No, you gotta put it up. Happy birthday!
Yeah, didn't you tell the whole world on the streets? They didn't have to know I'm 30.
A big piece, is that your piece?
Oh, yeah, he's gonna be eating that piece.
So now we're back in present day. Lunch with Austin and we're gonna go to Tasty Pot. So that's exciting. Hopefully I have the courage to like film in public. I still can't. I'm like looking around because I'm like scared someone's gonna see it. Liz is here with us. Ordering off the menu. They gave us green tea. Love it. Yum.
You're doing for the 4th of July?
So close. I'm actually not doing anything. I'm having lunch with you.
Okay.
And then I'll probably go home because my dogs are gonna cry. Thank you. You're going out again?
We went to bar hopping.
What time did you go home?
It was like 3.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was pretty late.
He's a crazy guy.
Oh, I'm so excited.
What'd you get?
I got lamb.
I got beef. It's so good. I love how we eat like hot food on a very hot day. So I found 2 cans of cat food at the bottom of my driveway. We don't have cats, we have dogs.
So I'm debating if I should get the Tieguanyin or the coconut panda.
So, how are you enjoying your ice cream?
This is so good, guys. The flavor that I got was Tieguanyin, Chinese herbal flavored ice cream.
He's trying to get me to eat ice cream and I can't. I need to lose weight. I'm getting too thick.
You
too thick.
You should reward yourself because
I did. I just ate hot pot.
You know, we are hanging out on a July 4th. And you need to treat yourself, right?
Oh my god.
It's not complete if you don't have ice cream after hot pot.
What are you making?
Vanilla pudding mix. That's all I need. We have milk, vanilla mix, whipping cream, wafers.
This guy always posing. I don't understand. No! Damn it. I hate closing my door when it's hot.
Easy, delicious pudding. This is such a child.
So we're here at Austin's house and he wants to make banana cream. Oh, banana pudding. So I'm gonna let him do this because if you guys didn't check out our videos before, it was a mess. So we're gonna see if he knows how to do this or not.
So I think this is a better size.
Ooh, what is that?
Portobello mushroom.
Oh.
I marinated with olive oil.
Condensed milk. If you know me, I love this in my coffee. It is the best treat ever. 2 cups. 1, 2. Oh. Now we're gonna whisk this until combined, and we want to.
It's labeled there.
Okay.
Here, let me hold the spoon.
1.
Look at the finished product, everyone. Good job. Proud of you.
Good job, Jenny.
You did such a good job.
You're such an MVP.
Hello, so we're home now from Austin's house. That was fun, hanging out with him for a bit, making myself some coffee. Just tired for some reason. I think it's the sun. I don't know. I'm not much of someone that goes out when it's hot. I hate the heat. Myself some coffee. We're gonna go work on some invitations. It's probably the first time that you hear me say anything about the wedding. It's happening, so we're working on the invitations because we do need to get that sent out. Probably didn't hear me this whole time, so let me go ahead and just get my coffee and we'll go ahead and sit down. The wedding. So yes, it's finally happening. We're actually going to be celebrating our wedding soon, so I'm really excited for that. I got to work on some of the invitations because we do need to send that out. It's been a couple hours now. The dogs are in the house with me. It is 4th of July, so there's a lot of fireworks happening outside even though the sun is still out. Don't understand why. They get super scared, so I'm letting them in so they don't cry like someone's killing them. Yeah, that's why I'm staying home today and keeping them indoors. Yeah, no partying for me. We're gonna work on our invitations now. I got these wax sticks off of Amazon. I'm gonna seal our envelopes using this with a cute little stamp design, so that should be really fun. Maybe I do have cats. Let's go ahead and work on this. I'm just gonna heat up my hot glue gun and we'll get started. By the way, if you guys got this far, I noticed that my looks changed so much drastically throughout this whole entire video. It was weird, but I didn't know I looked that different until I put all the clips together. Weird. So these are what the invitations look like. I made mine off of Zazzle, so if you want to recreate something like this or know someone that wants to make their own wedding envelopes, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. It was nice and hot. Okay, so I have a little ice pack right over there and I'm gonna put the little seal right on top so it stays nice and cool, you know, in between all the stamp. Yep. I don't do the perfect job, guys, but it seals. That's all that matters, right? What do you guys think? There's probably people like cringing like, Jenny, you are not doing it right. I know that it's not perfect, but I'm trying. How do they make a perfect circle? Details about the wedding coming soon. For the most part, it's going to be a lot smaller than it was planned for last year. I felt like it would be better just because of the whole pandemic and everything, and we don't want to risk it, to just have a smaller wedding. And I'm okay with that. You see, as much as I want it to be perfect, it just won't turn out that way. It's not too bad. You see what I mean? The sun is still out. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up because I know the dogs are gonna start crying. As you can see, it's the next morning already. I just finished up the invitations last night. Jimmy came home and we hung out with the dogs, and then we watched Too Hot to Handle on Netflix, and that's pretty much how we celebrated our July 4th. I hope that you guys had a safe and good one. Let me know if you guys like these vlog type videos, but I will see you guys in my next one. See ya! Bye!
I saw your face.